I'm here. I need subscribers. Call all your friends, call your neighbors, call your sisters, call your brothers, call your animals, call all your pets, call in all cars. Help me, I need subscribers. And, I'm sorry. Leave comments. Leave comments, please leave comments. Something's not right here. Hold on. I gotta do a shot of Buffalo Trace.
Oh yeah, that's better. That is so much better. So leave comments, everybody, please. And if you can't leave a comment because something's wrong, you probably have to join Gmail, Google Gmail, and set up an account. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. You can leave comments. You can make your own YouTube videos, which is a very good idea. It reminds me of a little joke. Karen's making a face, she's saying, don't tell this joke, but I'm going to tell it. Little Dennis comes home from school and he says to his dad, Dad, what's between Mom's legs? And Dad says, paradise, son. And he says, and what's between your legs, Dad? And he says, that's the key to paradise. Well, Dad, you better change the locks. The next door neighbor's got a duplicate key. That's my joke. Karen's shaking her head. Why did you say that? Today I got 2 cocktails for you. But let me give my shout outs before I do. Damo, Damien, Damo's Art World. I'm glad to have you back, buddy. I enjoy watching your videos and all your fabulous work. Another one is Sip Your Creations. I sip all my creations all the time, dude. And another one is Chappie Tiki Bar. Chappie's Tiki Bar. Say hello to Mookie. Say hello to my little friend Mookie, okay? And Harry has a cocktail. Harry, you changed it. I missed you. I couldn't find you. I even looked at my thing. I couldn't see it. I look up Harry, and it's Harry Boofy is there. I don't know what the hell is going on. Harry has a cocktail. Today, my first drink is going to be a martini. And this is a very special martini, guys. It's called the Carlos O'Brien Martini. It's half Irish, half Mexican. And we're going to put in a ½ ounce of this stuff called Bailey's Irish Cream, which is Irish because it says Irish cream. I didn't think it was Mexican cream. Did you think it was Mexican cream, Missy? Missy's not talking. And a ½ ounce of Kahlua. And I'm also going to put in 3 ounces of tequila. 3 ounces of tequila. Just 3 ounces of tequila. Going to be spot on. This drink is going to be spot on. Spot on drink. And I pre-froze a martini glass, so the martini glass is pre-frozen. You can see it's all fogged up. Well, I should pour it in front of you guys so you can see it, right? There you go. Now for the garnish. And some chocolate floaties for garnish. And this looks like a sperm. Look at it. But it's not. It's chocolate.
Oh my.
And there you go, folks. There you go. The Carlos O'Brien cocktail. Looks good to me. That is very good. Okay, and for the next drink, we're going to have the ChoVan Martini. ChoVan. Capital C-H-O, capital V-A-N. The ChoVan Martini. And that's going to call for 2 ounces of vodka. Two ounces of Creme De Cocoa. I'm sorry, I lied. Half an ounce of Creme De Cocoa. I'm a liar. No, I don't. I just stretch the truth sometimes, but sometimes I make mistakes. And this is Creme De Cocoa. It goes so good with somebody that's not nuts like me, huh? And I don't know if anybody's heard of this stuff. A lot of people haven't heard of it. But let me tell you, this is the best chocolate vodka going. This is Van Gogh chocolate vodka. Dutch chocolate. And it's white, clear, as you can see. And I'm going to put in a half an ounce of that.
No frangelica, huh?
No frangelica. You told me to, didn't you?
That's okay.
I forgot.
That's
I'm sorry.
okay.
And a half an ounce of vanilla vodka. Whoop. There you go, folks. There you go. Now you know. There you go. Now you know. Now we got to shake it up. And I'm going to wipe down this bar afterwards because it's got juice on it from the booze. And there you go. It's clear as day.
But it tastes like chocolate.
And it tastes like chocolate. And you drop a garnish in, but it falls to the bottom. And then you got one for the top. And there you go, complete with garnish and everything. That is the ChoVan Martini, and we love it. That is good. The ChoVan Martini, the Carlos O'Brien Martini, which is already gone. She came over and grabbed it while I was getting stuff ready. So there you go. Cocktail Tony here saying something special is going to happen today to somebody out there in the world. But if it doesn't happen, just wait. Better times are coming. Cocktail Tony, over and out.